Hello. Hi. Eh, Good afternoon, everyone. I am grateful for the opportunity to present my work at the International Conference on Business Management, Environment, and Social Sciences 2023. And the study is titled Asphalt Pavement, Management, and Administrative Control. Case study in Lima, Peru, which was developed at the Cesar Vallejo University in Peru. And introduction is it is known from that the routing transport system play a fundamental and strong role in the economic and social development of country. For the purpose of withdrawal management, ordinary and extraordinary maintenance intervention are core of to ensure that the pavement maintains specific functional and structural characteristics throughout its useful life. The implementation of pavement management system require the definition of appropriate maintenance criteria and condition indicator, the monitoring of the conducting of road pavement, and the archiving and processing of data to plan and schedule maintenance interval. A background study in pavement management and sustainability have examining program to recommend new uh, maintenance treatments based on general pavement surface condition and structural condition and other performance indicators. And it's important to meaning that is Rachi applies the concept of pavement management of Rachi, high was and mine was. However, we study have applied pavement management activities and the corporate management level. That's demonstrates is reliability and administering control. The study aiming to identify the relativities between administrative control and asphalt maintenance in the context of construction company. And methodology study, data collection and sampling. This study is no experimental correlation cross sectionality. The initial study of this study was based on literature review and reasoning with the eye of identify the relation of administrative control and aspect maintenance in the context of construction company. The sample popularity of the study we were Word of the company Cala Pavement y Construcción of San Juan de Miraflores, Lima, Peru. The data collection was processing and verified to complete to answer that question we for complete. The Gauss filming study for this investigation is of stable and fast-growing construction company wins its numerous ongoing and future industrial infrastructure and residential construction projects in Lima, Peru. Medicine history. This study following a four-point-like scale technique, uh, structure and closet case question was used for responding Likert scala, never one, almost never two, sometimes three, almost always four, always five. For that analysis, a price was used to describe the characteristic of the variable and dimension of administrative control and level of operation control. Data analysis technique and study. In this study, the data have been analyzed in the first step, primary and secondary data. We are analyze strong various static tool and technique, consisting of exploration, correction, and mere for analysis. ANOVA has been applied to analyze primary data, is exploring the process of variant BH factors. This study also applies chromatic alpha coefficient and composition to missing data consistent and reality. Resultados and discussion. The result of the interview have shown that less than all of the interviews can work administrative control. Most after brief introduction in preceding proper planning of control and maintenance are the most important and effective practice among others for pavement management in company. A table 1 distribute of administrative control of the company Cala Paviment y Construcciones. And variable for variable 1 administrative control, concurrent controls y infra control. Table 2 distributive of maintenance of the company Cala Pavement controls. Variable 1 maintenance, corrected, trivet, opportunity, value detection, sync, modify, and general represent flow, recurring percent, moderate recurring percent, high recurring percent, and table 2. And conclusion, it has been shown that there is direct relation with the administrative control and the correct managing of the company, Calaco Pavimentos y Construcciones and San Juan de Miraflores, out of sparming three seven sí. Indican that there is a relation with a low level of correlation, like with a significant level of. Like we see there is a direct relation with the admin control and the preventive maintenance of the company Cala Pavimentos y Construcciones, San Juan de Miraflores, Lima, Perú. Often ratio of spanning indicate that there is a relation with a high level of correlation before a significant level of was obtained. Thank you.